Hello, YouTubers. This is Velocity. Today I'm going to be playing Flappy Birds. So yeah, let's get in. But Flappy Birds has a lot of lag when I'm using my screen recorder on my phone, so yeah. I'm just gonna... No! This game makes me so angry. Alright. Yeah, we had 10 double digits. Alright, I should have seen that coming. I should have just let him drop like this. Like that. Let's see how high he can go. Woo! Dive down. Come on, let's go. I thought I was gonna make it. Yeah, I should have seen that coming right there. Of course, it just had to be low. Alright. Time to get my head in the game. Why didn't anyone tell me? Alright. I want to get this in good for you guys. Oh, and I kind of want to upload this video right away, so I won't have time to edit it or do any of that stuff. But I probably will, because I'm out right now. I just want to upload a video for you guys. Alright. You see, the tunnel's far away, right? They're giving you some leverage, okay? But then, how do you expect me to damn drop down? You see me flapping my damn wings. Chicken wings. Alright. I have to be quiet and concentrate. Shut up, coins! I'm doing it. No!